How to fix iMessage activation error. First, disable and enable iMessage. 1. Access the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down until you locate Messages, and then select it. 2. Locate the iMessage toggle switch. Tap on it to turn it off if it's currently enabled. Wait for 5 minutes. Then toggle it back on. Verify if this resolves the iMessage activation issue. 3. Upon enabling iMessage on your iPhone, a pop-up will appear stating, "Your network provider may apply charges for SMS messages used to activate iMessage." Tap OK to proceed with iMessage activation. Second, check date and time on iPhone. 1. Open the Settings app, select General, and then choose the date and time option. 2. Switch on the toggle next to Set Automatically, if it's currently off. Now attempt to send an iMessage, and you should no longer encounter the iMessage activation error. 3. Use Apple ID instead of phone number. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down to find Messages and tap on it. 2. Under the iMessage toggle, tap on Send and Receive section. 3. Select your Apple ID and disable your phone number to send and respond to iMessages through your Apple ID. 4. Reset network settings. 1. Access the Settings app, navigate to General, and scroll to the bottom to select the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. 2. Tap on Reset. 3. Next, opt for the Reset network settings. You'll be prompted to enter your iPhone's passcode, which will initiate the process of resetting network settings, resolving the iMessage activation unsuccessful error.